Hello guys, in this problem we speak about the problem of momentum. Now what do we mean by momentum? Momentum is the right time to buy or sell a stock. Now when you see a chart most of the time and I ask you where do you want to buy, you go directly and you buy from the lowest point and you sell on the highest point. Now this, most of the time it is impossible because you will never know what is the bottom and you will never know what is the highest point. Okay, you will never know. It's something about the future. Now there are some techniques that we use in order to buy on certain time. If we succeed, we can make a lot of money. And this is what we call a momentum of price. And this is what I use in our training. Let's say training level 2, how to search for stocks using stock screener, or training level 3, how to search for stocks using an industry index, or training level 13, how to buy stocks from the support line. Mostly these two trainings explain how you can buy on momentum. It doesn't mean that when you buy you will be right, but you attempt on a precise momentum and most of the time you succeed. Okay, so these lines, what we call support line and the resistance line, if you only succeed in one stock you will make good profits, and second, you will cover your all your losses before. It means in swing trading you should wait and be patient to have good profits. If you are making little in your trades, you will never make it at the end. That's why swing trading is good for those who want more profits without trading too much, which is two good things. More profits without trading too much. It means you are not like a day trader. Each day you trade. Some days are flat. Stocks are not moving that much. And you can't check thousands of stocks each day. So it will be boring thing. It will be very frustrating. Okay? No, most of the beginners don't like to buy from momentum, either because they don't know or because they like to see a big trend up. Most of the people, they buy when the trend has ended, because this is psychological. They want to be with a winner, and if a beginner see a long trend up, it means a good stock that has gone too much, he wants to be in that stock. But the problem is he is not with the momentum. The momentum is before. You should buy before, not now. Now is the dead end. The solution is to study these ways to buy on momentum. If you don't know, please check the training that I have said, training level 2 and training level 13. There is also selling short, but these techniques are for advanced students, and you should not use selling short with swing trading. Try to be careful, because if the stock has a gap up, or there is something big happens or good news, you can lose a lot of money. So selling short, do it only the day trade. It's better, because you can close the trade as you like. Okay, but swing trading, you hold at night, it's very difficult. If you are a beginner, it's better to begin with this training first, which is training level 2 and training level 13. Second, avoid big established trends and analyst recommendations. Now, established trends, it means if you see a very, very long trend in a stock, try not to buy that one, because most of the time it will end soon or it is ending. Second, analyst recommendations. There are some people online, they ask you to buy that kind of stock because they know better than you. No one knows better than you, because the future, no one knows the future. If they know the future, they will never tell you. Okay? If they know that their friend is a mutual fund and is buying a stock, they will never tell you until they want to sell, and then other time they will tell you, because it's in their advantage, not to your advantage. Most of the times when big guys have big profits from the trends, they ask analysts to write how this stock or how this mutual fund has done good last year, for example. And you will see it always try to read. If you are a reader and you read a lot about this information, you will find that whenever they give you good recommendation about stocks or mutual fund, they will speak about the past, and they are right. It means they tell you, okay, last year this mutual fund is one of the best because it has 50% last year. Okay, this is last year. Now, what about this year? They will never tell you about the future, but they will infer that it's better to buy it because the people has made profit last year. You make a profit this year. But what guarantee is that these big guys who hold the stock or the mutual fund, they are not selling right now? Who tells you they are not selling? No one knows. Okay? The only thing you know is when you buy and you see after 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 months, you will see if the stock is going up, it means there are a lot of people still buying. But if the stock stops and going down, it means that you are a loser, because you follow other people's directions. And you as a beginner, since you buy, you will keep the price the same. So it is a high time not to listen to anyone and do your homework and buy and sell according to your opinion, which is based on a good training, rather than let other analysts or the media to show you what to buy and what to sell. This is just something that you will understand in the future. Whenever you begin to listen to many people, you will lose your money. Whenever you get training and you do your homework and you decide by yourself, you will become more confident and you will make money if you succeed acquiring the training skills. Thank you, and see you next video.